All right, so we got Dwight in the Bronx.
Dwight in the BX, what up?
Dwight in the BX.
Yes, what's up?
I'm just repeating what Squeeze is saying. I'm sorry. What's up, Dwight?
Yes, I have a question to ask you, Brad.
Yes.
I got divorced.
Okay.
And I'm filing my I-751 waiver.
Right.
I would like to ask how long
It's going to take over a year and a half, about a year and a half or so.
You're going to take over a year and a half?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, just hang in there.
All right.
All right.
Hang in there, Dwight.
Hang in there.
All right. And happy holidays to you and the family, man.
Okay. And Dwight and I were living the same life up until the point where he said that I filed the I-751.
Because both of you got divorced.
Both got divorced, but I was born in America. I guess lucky for me.
I got married and divorced in 1 week, like in 3 days. I'm just kidding.
You were never married. It was a big. That's called hashtag fake news, Squeeze. All right, that was hashtag fake news. If anybody watched,
you saw me with a ring though.
Right. If anybody watched our show back from the springtime, right? This was in the springtime, I think, right before the summer when we were filming on our iPhones. Squeeze had everybody up in arms that he was married for about a week, and then at the end of the week, all of a sudden the ring came off, and everyone's like, "What happened to the ring, Squeeze?"
Divorced.
And then he was like, "I'm divorced," and we're like, "Fake news, fake news."
1-800-LAWLINK, 1-800-529-5465. Let's get back to the attorney answering another question here. Hello, caller. How are you?
Hello.
Hello there.
Latoya.
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
How are you?
Latoya, can you do me a favor? Can you take us off speakerphone for just a minute or two while you get your question in, please?
Oh, it's my Bluetooth. Just a minute.
Bluetooth.
Oh, it's your Bluetooth.
Is that better?
Much better.
Yeah.
All right, what's going on, Latoya?
Nothing much. My question to you is this. I'm married for 3 years, and my spouse now wants to file for my citizenship. Now, is it a case where we have to be filing tax for the full 3 years together?
You should be, yeah.
If we only did it for 1 year, is that a problem?
It could be. And what you should do is come to Carmela and let her amend the taxes, and that's way
our tax
you know, don't look. Could it be a problem? Yes. Will it be a problem? You don't know. But if immigration is going to give you a problem, what is this? What is this that's going up here? Okay, that's the Shaggy thing. But if immigration is going to give you a problem, that's one of the ways they can give you a problem. So don't look for problems. Okay? Don't look for problems. And you can come to Carmela, who you're going to see in about 30 minutes or so, who's our tax attorney here. And you're going to see her anyway because she's going to be on our show about amending your taxes. So hold on one second.
1-800-529-5465. Once again, folks, we're here on the Brad and Squeeze Show. Love the background there. Okay, we have a viewing of the Christmas lights and everything.
Is that Rockefeller Center?
I think it's Rockefeller Center, yeah.
I believe that's Rockefeller Center, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I was just up there the other night. I put on Instagram the picture.
Heard.
Yeah, you heard. You heard I was there.
Very nice cheap date.
Yes,
I heard.
Right. Yes, it is a cheap date. You walk around, you look at the lights, you don't spend a penny.
Very nice cheap date. A little bit romantic, though.
Yes, it was very there. I saw that. Yeah. And so I told Squeeze, actually, I was up at Rockefeller Center, and I was on a date. He goes, boy, you are a cheap date. You don't take the person out for a drink or dinner.
Dating can be expensive, I know.
I said, listen. I said, it was very nice and romantic. You walked around. I said, not everything has to be spending money.
You know? And of course, they appreciate every bit, every minute, every second. It was fun. The lights and all until they get back home and say, hold up.
This guy's spent it full out his wallet.
Let's get to another call. 1-800-LAWLINK. Hello.
Yolanda.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, Yolanda. How are you?
Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon.
What's going on?
I have a question for immigration, concerning immigration. I'm here 10 years in the United States. I have a green card. And I want to know, by filing for my citizenship, I'm in a relationship for 5 years, and I would like to file for my citizenship and want to know if I could put in for a green card for my spouse.
You can. It'll take a year and a half to process, but once you become a citizen, it'll get upgraded, and if you made a legal entry into America, he'll adjust here. If he's in another country, it's absolutely faster to file now and then upgrade when you become a citizen. If he's here, it really doesn't matter whether you file now and upgrade when you become a citizen or just do it once you become a citizen. It's going to be the same amount of time.
it will be the same amount of time?
Yeah, basically. But I would still file for him now anyway because it's better. Because you never know when you're going to become a citizen, and you don't know if you'll ever become a citizen. You don't know what rules will be changed, and he'll feel better that something's filed for him. So I always advise people to file.
So by me having a green card for 10 years, I could file for someone before I become a citizen?
Yes, but it's going to take longer. But you upgrade it when you become a citizen. Okay, hold on one second. We can help you. All right, and finally, Squeeze, we're going to go one more call. How's that?
Mm-hmm. All right. Call's good. Then we find social media.
Then we're going to find social media queen. Yvonne in Rockland County. Yvonne.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you guys?
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, Yvonne. Happy holidays.
Good. I have a question.
Yes.
My niece is 17, and her dad filed for her. She came up a week ago, but he wants her to go back down to graduate from high school in May of next year.
Right.
Can she leave in January before she gets her green card?
Yes, but make sure she comes back within 6 months.
Yeah, she'll be back. She just want to graduate from high school.
Yes, absolutely. Let her go to high school. Maybe she wants to take a trip over April or something for a long weekend or something. Just let her come in every couple months.
She's here now.
Yeah.
But I know her green card may not come before
That's
she
fine.
leaves in
As long
January.
as she entered
so
with
that's
that's fine. She entered with an immigrant visa. She's fine. She doesn't need to wait for the
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, you're very
All
welcome.
right, that's Yvonne from Rockland County. Once again, folks, this is the Brad and Squeeze Show. We're answering your immigration questions at 1-800-529-5465. You can call that number, or you can actually place your questions on the Facebook page, Brad and Squeeze. Right now, we're going to our social media queen right after I hear Brad's comment.
Boy, our Brad squad and Team Squeeze, they said, Squeeze, hashtag fake news. Brad doesn't look that cheap. You got it.
Yep. Not cheap at all.
That was hashtag fake news.
Yep.
All right, 1-800-529-5465.
Let me not expound on any more dates.
Let's go to Ted quickly. He's been waiting for over 20 minutes. Ted and
Ted,
Queens.
how are you?
How are
Happy
you?
holidays.
Ted?
Good, thank you.
Good. What's
Can
up?
you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, sorry about the wait.
What's going on?
Got a question for you.
Yeah.
If somebody filed for a visitor's visa, indicate that she's married, and eventually she wasn't, and she comes here and want to adjust her status. She got married, want to adjust her status. Will that affect her situation?
Lied. She lied. Misrepresentation. She said she was married when she wasn't. So let's say she gets married now. She's going to go for an interview, and the government's going to say, wait a second. You claimed you were married when you got your visa. So now they're going to say either you're lying to us now and you're a bigamist and you're saying you weren't married when you were, or you were lying when you got your visa and you said you were married when you were single. And the reason that she would do that is because it's more likely that a married person is going to return home and therefore show more ties to their home country that they're not going to overstay.
Right.
So now she has to go to whatever country she came from and get a certificate from the civil authorities that there is no marriage certificate, then get married here in America, then file the adjustment application with the certificate that says I was never married in whatever my home country is,
right.
Admit to the misrepresentation, and then file a waiver based on hardship to the spouse. She needs a good lawyer. A good lawyer. Hold on one second.
And you're speaking to one.
Hold on.
She needs you, Brad.
What?
She needs you.
She needs me, exactly. Hold on one second, Ted. Hold on.